The 2026 Mercedes RV Motorhome isn't just a camper, it's a rolling statement of sophistication, technology, and futuristic comfort. Crafted for the elite traveler, this machine is where precision German engineering meets five-star hotel luxury on wheels. From the outside, the design is bold yet elegant. Sleek LED lighting flows across the body like electric veins, while its signature three-pointed star sits proudly on a grille inspired by Mercedes AMG GT lineage. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag while hinting at power beneath. And yes, this beauty moves, thanks to a hybrid V8 plus electric drive system producing over 900 horsepower. It glides from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. For an RV, that's basically warp speed. But what really sets the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome apart is the experience inside. As the doors slide open, ambient lighting greets you, shifting in color based on your mood or even the time of day. The living space is an open-concept luxury suite, with vegan leather recliners, a retractable 85-inch OLED cinema screen, and built-in Dolby Atmos surround sound. The floor? Polished bamboo with radiant heating. The cockpit is pure Mercedes, sleek, smart, and responsive. A curved digital interface displays everything from terrain data to real-time satellite mapping, while voice command integration lets you control everything with just a phrase. Even the steering wheel recognizes your touch and adjusts suspension, lighting, and temperature preferences instantly. The kitchen is a minimalist dream. Glass induction cooktops, auto-clean surfaces, and a retractable fridge system that adjusts storage zones based on ingredients. A built-in sommelier unit keeps wine at perfect serving temperatures, and the espresso machine? It grinds based on your preferred roast. The bedroom feels like a luxury condo suite, complete with a panoramic smart skylight that adjusts tint as the sun moves. The bed is a zero-gravity memory foam system with temperature regulation and integrated sleep tracking. Wake up in the mountains or by the beach, refreshed, recharged, and ready. The bathroom? Let's just say spa-like doesn't do it justice. Full marble detailing, rainfall shower with aromatherapy, and a voice-activated mirror that displays news, weather, and even skincare tips. As for connectivity and self-sufficiency, this RV leads the pack. Solar-absorbing roof panels, a smart water recycling system, and Starlink integration mean you're off-grid but always online. Whether you're parked in a luxury resort or exploring deep wilderness, you're surrounded by comfort and control. And let's talk about the price. Starting at $1.4 million, the 2026 Mercedes RV Motorhome is not for the casual camper, it's for the visionary. The traveler who demands excellence, style, and performance in one breathtaking machine. Mercedes didn't just make an RV, they redefined what the journey can feel like. This is the future of mobile luxury. So, would you take the wheel of this rolling mansion? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more next-gen vehicle deep dives.